How far are we from that gas station?
It's far this spot.
There.
Oh, it's flooded na, Daddy. It's raining so hard, guys. We just entered Bataan. We're already in Abukay. I think we're already in Abukay. We're closer now. It's raining so hard. Very hard. Look at the We're driving 40 now.
Can you like? You like that? Going.
Normal thing. Okay, Michiko likes to play with tools, especially Daddy's tools. So we got her some tools to play with, a little construction thing.
Michiko, you need to help Daddy.
Come help me unbox.
Yeah, they're gonna do unboxing.
Okay, unbox.
So let's see what you got, Michiko. Wow. Wow. Looks
Oh,
pretty. Oh no.
Comes with instructions.
Oh no. So we got that toy for her, guys, because it's her birthday is coming up. So we're gonna give her a advanced birthday present since we don't wanna cook on her birthday. And also that's gonna be Charles' birthday as well, this coming May 26. Right, love?
Yep, birthday. Another one.
Wow. And Michiko's here. Let me see, baby. Wow, that's pretty. Look at that, guys. O, ganyan yung itsura niya pagka ano. Wow. So that's the table. Is that the table? Well, there's a lot of tools in there. Wow. Can you say what kind of tool is that? Michiko, in here, baby. Sit down here. Show the vlog your tools. You sit down, baby. Sit down. Open it. Open. Oh my God, she's using her teeth.
My daddy opens.
You like your Lola Delia? That's the side here. Oh, see this one? Parang may crane siya. Is that a crane or something? Like a...
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. What's this one, baby? Oh my God, you got a saw. Look, chuk, chuk, chuk. Wow, look at this, guys. Oh, ang daming tools. Together. Now Charles putting all together while Michiko is busy on her tools. So we're gonna put the tools in here, all of it. Michiko, can you bring it here, baby? Daddy is fixing this one, oh. Wow. Wow. Ganito pala to. Sana all. Look at this one, guys. Choo choo. Oh, mutaas na siya. Mutaas. Choo choo. And
Put things in and hold.
you mean make it lock or tight? Oh. What's that name again?
Vice.
Vice. Vice ganda. Oh, tingnan mo yung mga screws. Oh, nalagay. Pwede tanggalin tapos yan. Malalaking screw. 4 lang yun. He's gonna put the sticker. I hope she won't peel that one.
Tell her it's going to peel and we'll maybe get by.
Putting the sled. Wow. Cool. What's the name of this, love?
Ranch.
Wrench. What's this for? I don't know what's this for.
These are rocks for the loader.
Rocks for the load. so cute.
Go up and down. Down, turn down.
She can put a loader there, Daddy. Put the wood, Daddy, or the stones. Michiko, what you gonna say to Daddy?
There you go.
Baby? What you gonna say with Daddy?
Push him off there. Here. Let him roll off. Look, let go. Let go. Then roll all the way.
The hold.
Let go.
She knows how to do it na.
Yeah,
Love.
baby. Huh?
Do it, baby. Very good. Ito talaga, ang cute niyo. Chudududut. Saan to? Hammer to, parang yung hammer. Lai magpurma. Mga wrench and screws. Loader. True. Put the barrel there. And we can do like this. Look at Michiko. Mommy's gonna do this. Look. Shrink down. Put it down. Uy, nasangit man. So we just put it in the bedroom for now, guys. So she can play there. And then she got also her bike. Here you go. You got a lot of toys, baby. You got bike. You got tool sets. Wow. You can practice that one. She likes playing the tools of Charles, so we decided to buy her a set of tools. And that's good. Makes her brain busy. What are you gonna say with Daddy? Thank you. Thank you, though, Daddy.
You're welcome.
So what you gonna say with the vlog? Hi to the guys and the bye, guys. Say bye, guys. Shh. Bye, guys. Busy na. Bye, everyone. That's all for today. Bye.